Hello and welcome to today's video on how to spend your money wisely. In this video, we will be discussing some of the best ways to make sure that your hard-earned money is spent in the most effective and efficient way possible. Whether you are trying to save for the future, pay off debts or just want to live within your means, these tips will help you make the most of your money. Tip 1. Create a budget. The first step in spending your money wisely is to create a budget. This will help you keep track of your income and expenses, and ensure that you are living within your means. Make a list of all your monthly expenses, including bills, rent, groceries, and any other recurring expenses. Then, subtract these expenses from your monthly income. This will give you a clear picture of your disposable income, which you can then use to plan your spending. Tip 2. Prioritize your spending. Once you have a budget in place, it's important to prioritize your spending. This means allocating your money towards the things that are most important to you. For example, if you value experiences over material possessions, you may want to allocate more money towards travel or entertainment expenses. On the other hand, if you are trying to pay off debt, you may need to prioritize your spending towards debt repayment. Tip 3. Use cash. One of the easiest ways to overspend is to use credit cards or other forms of digital payment. It's easy to lose track of how much you are spending when you don't see physical cash leaving your wallet. Using cash for your day-to-day expenses can help you keep better track of your spending, and ensure that you don't overspend. Tip 4. Look for deals and discounts. Another great way to spend your money wisely is to look for deals and discounts. This could include shopping during sales or using coupons for your purchases. There are also many websites and apps that can help you find deals and discounts on everything from groceries to travel. Tip 5. Invest in yourself. Finally, one of the best ways to spend your money wisely is to invest in yourself. This could include furthering your education or learning new skills that could help you earn more money in the future. It could also mean investing in your health by joining a gym or hiring a personal trainer. Tip 6. Avoid impulse purchases. Impulse purchases can quickly add up and blow your budget. To avoid overspending on items you don't really need, give yourself a waiting period before making any purchases. This can help you determine whether the purchase is necessary or just a momentary impulse. Tip 7. Track your expenses. Tracking your expenses can help you identify areas where you might be overspending. Keep a record of all your expenses, including small ones like coffee or snacks. This will give you a better understanding of where your money is going and where you can cut back. Tip 8. Consider buying used or refurbished items. Buying used or refurbished items can save you a lot of money, especially on big-ticket items like electronics or furniture. Look for reputable sellers or websites that specialize in selling used or refurbished items. Tip 9. Don't neglect your savings. Saving money should always be a priority, no matter how much you make. Make sure to allocate a portion of your income towards your savings, even if it's just a small amount. This will help you build an emergency fund and work towards your long-term financial goals. Tip 10. Seek professional advice. If you're struggling to manage your finances, seeking professional advice can be incredibly helpful. Consider speaking with a financial advisor or accountant to help you create a personalized financial plan that fits your needs and goals. Spending your money wisely requires careful planning and prioritization. By creating a budget, prioritizing your spending, using cash, looking for deals and discounts, and investing in yourself, you can make sure that your money is being spent in the most effective and efficient way possible. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found these tips helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Please leave a comment below with your thoughts or any suggestions for future videos. And if you want to stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload.